Look, listen, and say.
Good morning.
Morning, Mom. Good afternoon, teacher.
Hello. Good afternoon.
Good evening. Hello. Good night. See you tomorrow. Goodbye. See you at school.
Look, listen, and say.
For greetings.
In the morning. Say good morning.
In the afternoon.
Say good afternoon.
And what to say in the evening?
Say good evening. What about farewells? What to say when taking leave?
Say see you or bye.
For taking leave at night, say good night. But never say good night for greeting in the evening or night. This is the greeting song Bye Bye Bye.
Do activity B from your textbook. Drag and match.